This legendary OTC trading strategy took me from $20 to $1,000 extremely quickly, and today I am going to rebuild this strategy and show you exactly how to use it. So stick around, this could be a game changer. Okay guys, for this strategy, we're going to need just 3 indicators. 2 moving average and 1 stochastic oscillator. After adding our indicators, we are going to need to edit our moving averages. So let's do that now. Let's edit our first moving average. Click on edit. Okay, for our first moving average, we're going to set the period to 25 and the moving average to WMA. And for the styles, let's go for white and 2 pixels. Then click save. Okay, now let's edit our second moving average. For the period, we're going for 55 and the moving average to WMA also. And for the styles, set it to color yellow and then 2 pixels and then click save. Now, this is very important. Make sure to change your chart type from line to candlestick and set the time frame to 15 seconds. And last but not least, make sure to set your trading time to 1 minute. Now that everything is set up perfectly, let me explain this strategy, so make sure to listen carefully. We are looking for 2 signals before we enter the market. First, the moving averages. The moving averages should touch each other. This will give us the exact moment to enter the market. The keyword here is touch. We don't have to wait for them to cross each other. As soon as they touch, we can open a position for either buy or sell, which the stochastic oscillator will tell us. Now, the stochastic oscillator is very simple. All we have to do is to enter the market opposite to it. So basically, if it's about 95% close to the lower line, then we are going to open a higher or buy position. But if it's about 95% close to the upper line, then we are going to open a low or sell position. Again, it doesn't have to cross the line. As long as it's about 95% close to the line, then that's a good enough signal. Now, I don't expect you to understand this strategy immediately, and that's completely fine. That's why I am now going to show you how it works by growing this $20 into $1,000 using this exact powerful strategy, and I am going to explain it while we trade, so make sure to keep watching. Let's go. I am going to open some OTC currency pairs with above 90% juicy payout. I am also going to speed up the video a little bit while I am hunting for a good signal to show you. I found our first signal. As you can see here, the 2 moving average touch each other, and the stochastic oscillator is about 90% close to the upper line, which suggests that this is a low or sell signal. That's our first win. Let's find another good signal. I think I found our next signal. We are just a little bit late to open a position here, but since the 2 moving average touch each other and the stochastic oscillator is about 90% close to the upper line, it still suggests that the market is about to go down very soon. So I still decided to enter the market here. And that's our next win. Let me find more signal to give you more example. Okay, I think I found a very good example of a very strong signal right here. As you can see, the oscillator is already way below the bottom line, which suggests that the market is about to go up soon, and the moving average is about to touch each other. We are going to open a buy position as soon as the moving average touch each other. Let's wait for it to touch. Patience, patience. There we go. That's our third win. Let's keep trading until we turn it into $1,000. So let's go and find more signal. Okay guys, I think I found another very strong signal, and this time, the oscillator is way above the upper line and the moving average is about to touch each other, which suggests that the market is about to go down soon. Therefore, we are going to open a sell position as soon as the moving average touch each other, as you can see here. Our balance is now $200. We just have to win a few more times to hit thousands. I found our next signal for our next trade. The oscillator is way below the bottom line, which again suggests that the market is about to go up soon. We're just waiting for the moving average to touch each other before we enter the market. Okay, that's a win. Let's hunt the next signal. Okay guys, I think I found another example of late market entry here. As you can see, the moving average already crossed each other, but the oscillator has been around the bottom line for quite some time now, which strongly suggests that the market is about to go up soon. It means we can still enter the market for a buy position. That's a win, and now our balance is $500. It means we just need to win one more time to successfully turn the $20 to $1,000. So let's do that now. Okay, I think I found our last signal. As you can see here, the moving average already touched each other, and the oscillator also touched the upper line, which strongly suggests that the market is about to go down soon, as demonstrated here. And we successfully turned our $20 into $1,000. I hope you learned something today guys, and make sure to practice this strategy first in your demo account. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.